All right, so now I'm going to go over the LinkedIn basic search. Now, if you're doing prospecting, if you're looking to get clients and you're looking to maximize your LinkedIn profile, I highly recommend that you utilize the LinkedIn Sales Navigator tool, because that's going to help you with being able to send a lot more connection requests, and then also with being able to see and have available more profiles that you can connect with. As you'll notice here, through the LinkedIn basic search, you're going to be able to come up with a lot of different search criteria. However, the results are going to be limited, because that's where LinkedIn is making their money, as far as the tools and different forms of services that they provide. So let me show you here. Let's say I were looking for dentists to work with. Let's say I'm looking to contact dentists to see if there may be an opportunity for us to work together. Maybe I'm trying to sell them marketing services. So just type in dentist there, and we can break this down here. We can go to all filters, and we can break this down by, let's say, just the United States. And let's say I just wanted to focus in on the Seattle area. And let's say that obviously just English, and then we'll go to apply. So I'm just going to open these guys up here, right? I'm not even going to message them or anything like that. I just want to show you something here. So there's this profile, this one here. Okay, great. Now, let's go back and let's even kind of look at this guy here. Once you go through a certain number of dentists, that you're not going to be able to have many more to reach out to and connect to. Like if you wanted to connect with, let's say, this guy, right? You would only be able to connect with a certain number of individuals. So looks like this has changed recently, but you have the ability to look at all the different dentists, right, on LinkedIn, but you're only going to be able to connect with a certain number of individuals. Okay. And so that's the key thing here, is that the LinkedIn search, right, just a typical search filter here, criteria, is going to be easy for you to find out how many people are in the actual results, and maybe connect with 10, 15, 20 of them. But after that, you're going to get limited. But the search criteria is a great way just to kind of get an idea and play around with LinkedIn if you're just on the free plan. So let's say I also want to look at, let's say, chiro. No, let's not look at a chiropractor. Let's look at a optometrist. I don't think I spelled that right. There we go. So there's 84,000 just about results here. Okay, great. And so the search results here are going to pull up. You're going to be able to see a good number of individuals. Now, let me even also show you another thing. So if you're going to companies, and let's say you wanted to look at, let's type in dentist here. And let's see if we can pull this one up here. Now this has 363 employees. Now you'll notice that you're not going to be able to see everybody's name here. And then if we go to second page, LinkedIn member, those are the profiles that you're going to be able to unlock. And you'll get limited every so often when you're trying to look at a ton of profiles and you don't have the Sales Navigator tool. But once you have the Sales Navigator tool, I'm telling you, it's going to make a world of difference for your outreach. But as you'll notice here, you cannot see all the actual information here as far as for the individuals, but highly recommend that you utilize Sales Navigator. I just wanted to walk you quickly through here the actual search criteria and search filters, right? If you want to find different types of individuals, different people in your market. All right, so we'll go ahead and see you on the next one.